Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SR English Conversation, where English becomes simple, natural, and fun.
If you want to speak English with confidence, not just pass a test, you are in the right place.
If you're enjoying these conversations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Ready?
I'm ready. Actually, I can't believe how excited I am.
Let's begin.
Section 1. What does "I can't believe it" really mean?
Paul, imagine you open your bank account and suddenly see $1 million. What would you say?
First, I'd check if I'm looking at someone else's account. Then I'd scream, "I can't believe it!"
Exactly. This sentence simply means I'm extremely surprised. That's it. But here's the interesting part. The emotion changes depending on your voice. Listen, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Same words, different feelings.
English is funny. Sometimes your face speaks louder than your mouth.
Exactly. Your voice, your expression, your eyes, they all change the meaning.
Practice time.
Everyone, repeat after me. I can't believe it. Again, I can't believe it. One more time. I can't believe it. Perfect.
Section 2. Happy surprises.
Let's imagine some good news. Paul, you finally passed your driving test.
After the 5th try,
Sure.
the instructor says, "Congratulations." I freeze. Then, "I can't believe it."
Perfect. Another one. Your favorite singer replies to your message.
"No way. I can't believe it."
Your childhood friend suddenly visits you.
I can't believe it.
Notice something? Native speakers often smile while saying it. Their voice goes higher. They're excited.
Mini story.
Last year, my cousin entered a small photography competition. She didn't expect anything. A week later, she received an email. First place. She stared at the screen for almost a minute. Then she whispered, I can't believe it. She even read the email 3 times.
That's me whenever I get a message saying your package has been delivered, because it usually hasn't.
Section 3, Bad Surprises. Now, let's change the emotion. Imagine you spend 2 hours cooking dinner. Then you accidentally drop everything on the floor.
Please don't do this to me. I'd cry first. Then, I can't believe it.
Notice your voice becomes lower, slower, sad. Here's another example. Your phone falls into water.
I can't believe it. My heart would stop.
Exactly. Same sentence, different feeling.
Practice.
Say it with disappointment. I can't believe it. Excellent. Now with excitement. I can't believe it. Can you hear the difference?
Section 4. When people use it every day.
Let's do some real conversations.
Conversation 1.
Guess what? I got promoted today.
Seriously? I can't believe it. Congratulations.
Conversation 2.
The movie tickets are sold out.
Again? I can't believe it.
Conversation 3.
Look outside. It's snowing.
In April? I can't believe it. Conversation 4. Someone ate my pizza.
Who?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I can't believe it. Honestly, stealing pizza should be illegal. Especially if it's the last slice.
Section 5. More natural expressions.
Ready to sound even more like a native speaker? Here are some alternatives. No way.
That's probably my favorite. No way. You're kidding. Unless someone really is kidding.
Seriously? Are you for real? That's unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Notice something? Native speakers mix these expressions naturally. For example, no way. I can't believe it.
Or, seriously? You're kidding.
Section 6. Common mistakes. Let's fix a few mistakes. Wrong. I cannot believe. Better. I can't believe. Wrong. I don't believe. That means something different. It means you think it's false.
Exactly. If I say, I don't believe you, I'm saying, I think you're lying. That's very different.
Great point.
Section 7. Speak with us.
Ready? Repeat after us. I can't believe it. No way. Seriously? You're kidding. That's unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Excellent. Now, let's make complete sentences. I can't believe I passed my exam. Your turn. I can't believe we met here. Your turn. I can't believe how fast time flies. Your turn. Fantastic.
Section 8. Quick challenge.
Paul, I'll tell you something. You react naturally. Ready?
Let's do it.
You won a free vacation.
No way. I can't believe it.
Someone broke your favorite mug.
Oh no. I can't believe it.
You met your favorite actor.
Seriously? I can't believe it.
Your alarm didn't ring.
That explains everything. I can't believe it.
You found $50 in your old jacket.
Can we check all my jackets? I can't believe it.
Final encouragement. Here's something important. Learning English isn't about knowing thousands of difficult words. It's about using simple expressions naturally. And today, you've learned one of the most useful reactions in everyday English.
Next time something amazing, funny, crazy, or even frustrating happens, don't stay silent. Say, I can't believe it.
Section 9. When I can't believe it isn't good news. Welcome back. In part 1, we used I can't believe it for surprises. But here's something interesting. Not every surprise is a happy one. Sometimes people use this expression when they're frustrated, disappointed, or even angry.
Oh, I know this feeling. Like when you're standing in a long line at the supermarket, you finally reach the cashier, and then the person in front of you suddenly says, "Oh, I forgot something."
And they disappear for 5 minutes.
Exactly. At that moment, I'd probably whisper, "I can't believe it."
Perfect. Notice the difference. You're not shouting, you're speaking more slowly. Your voice is lower because you're frustrated.
Real life example.
Imagine this. You wake up early, you get dressed, you rush to work. Then you realize today is your day off.
Wait, that actually happened to my cousin. He arrived at the office, the building was almost empty. Then his manager looked at him and smiled. "What are you doing here?" He checked his calendar. "I can't believe it."
Sometimes English is funny because one sentence can express so many emotions.
Section 10. Surprised questions.
Native speakers often don't stop with, I can't believe it. They continue the conversation. For example, I can't believe it. Really? I can't believe it. How did that happen? I can't believe it. Are you serious?
Let's practice. Emily, surprise me.
Paul, you just won free concert tickets.
I can't believe it. Really? How?
Perfect. Another one. You meet your favorite football player.
I can't believe it. Can I take a picture with you?
See? The conversation keeps going. Don't stop after the first sentence.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. I can't believe it. Really? How did that happen? Are you serious? Excellent. Now put them together. I can't believe it. Are you serious? Again. I can't believe it. How did that happen? Great job.
Section 11. Mini story. The lost wallet.
Let me tell you a short story. A man was walking home after work. He stopped to buy some coffee. When he reached into his pocket, his wallet was gone. He searched everywhere. His bag, his jacket, even the coffee shop floor. Nothing. He looked at his friend and said, "I can't believe it." He was worried. Maybe he dropped it somewhere. Maybe someone took it. 2 hours later, his phone rang. A woman had found his wallet. Everything was still inside. His money, his cards, even his family photo. She returned it to him. When he opened it, he smiled and said, "I can't believe it."
Same sentence, two completely different feelings. First, sad, then happy. That's why your voice matters so much.
Section 12. Don't translate word for word. Here's a tip that can really improve your English. Don't translate directly from your language. Instead, learn complete expressions. For example, "I can't believe it." Not just believe, not just can't. Learn the whole sentence.
Exactly. When native speakers talk, they don't build every sentence word by word. They remember useful chunks. That's why they sound natural.
So, every time something surprising happens, use the whole expression. "I can't believe it." Your brain will remember it much faster.
Fun role play.
Paul, let's play a game. I'll describe a situation. You react naturally. Ready?
Always.
Your friend says, "I bought a pet dinosaur."
I can't believe it. Wait, is it a tiny dinosaur?
You accidentally wear 2 different shoes to work.
I can't believe it. Please tell me nobody noticed.
Your grandmother beats you in a video game.
No way. I can't believe it. Rematch.
You open the refrigerator. There's only ketchup.
That's a serious emergency. I can't believe it.
Shadowing practice. Now let's do some shadowing. Don't just repeat. Copy my pronunciation and emotion. Ready? Happy. "I can't believe it." Excited. "I can't believe it." Sad. "I can't believe it." Confused. "I can't believe it." Angry. "I can't believe it." Excellent. You're not only learning vocabulary, you're learning how English really sounds.
Micro challenge. Here's today's challenge. For the next 24 hours, every time something surprises you, even something small, say, "I can't believe it." Maybe your coffee is too hot. Maybe your bus arrives early. Maybe your friend sends you a funny message. Practice in real life. That's how English becomes natural.
Section 13, when native speakers don't finish the sentence. Welcome back. Here's something that surprises many English learners. Native speakers don't always say the full sentence. Sometimes they simply say, "I can't believe," and stop.
Wait, they don't even say it?
Exactly, because everyone already understands what they're talking about. Listen, "My phone stopped working." "I can't believe." "My flight was delayed again." "I can't believe." "My little brother ate the last piece of cake." "I can't believe."
Honestly, the last one hurts the most.
Poor cake.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. "I can't believe." Again, "I can't believe." Now with emotion. "I can't believe." Excellent.
Section 14. Surprise at work.
Let's imagine you're at the office. Your manager walks over. She smiles. Then she says, "We'd like to promote you." What would you say?
First, I'd make sure she wasn't talking to the person behind me. Then, I can't believe it.
Exactly. Here's another situation. You accidentally delete an important file. You panic. 5 minutes later, your coworker says, "Don't worry, I made a backup."
I'd probably hug them. Then I'd say, "I can't believe it, you saved me."
That's a very natural reaction.
Section 15. The airport story.
Here's another short story. A woman arrived at the airport 2 hours early. Everything was perfect. Passport? Check. Ticket? Check. Suitcase? Check. She was feeling relaxed. Then she looked at the departure screen. Her flight had been moved to another gate. The new gate was 15 minutes away. She started running. When she finally arrived, the airplane door had just closed. She looked through the window and whispered, "I can't believe it." She felt terrible. But here's the twist. A few minutes later, the airline announced a technical problem. The flight would return to the gate. Passengers could board again. She smiled. "I can't believe it."
Same sentence, complete opposite emotions. English is amazing.
Section 16. Listen like a native. Here's a listening challenge. I'm going to say the same sentence in different ways. Tell us which emotion you hear. Ready? I can't believe it. Pause. Happy? Exactly. Now, I can't believe it. Pause. Disappointed? Right. One more. I can't believe it. Pause. Confused. Perfect.
See, sometimes pronunciation is more important than vocabulary.
Section 17. Common responses. What do people usually say after hearing, "I can't believe it"? Let's practice. I got the job.
I can't believe it. Congratulations.
My flight was canceled.
I can't believe it. I'm so sorry.
I won the competition.
No way. I can't believe it.
I lost my wallet.
Oh no, I can't believe it.
Notice something. The conversation doesn't stop. Native speakers always keep it moving.
Section 18. Minigame, true or false.
Let's play a quick game. I'll tell you something, you decide if you believe me. Ready?
Let's go.
I saw a dog wearing sunglasses yesterday.
I can believe that.
I met someone who has never eaten pizza.
I can't believe it.
A turtle won a race against a rabbit.
Wait, that sounds familiar. Maybe I can believe it.
I finished an entire TV series in one day.
I can't believe it. Did you even sleep?
Barely.
Section 19. Shadowing practice.
Time to speak with us. Repeat exactly like me. I can't believe it. I can't believe you did that. I can't believe how beautiful this place is. I can't believe we finally made it. I can't believe my eyes. Fantastic. One more time. This time, smile while you say it. Ready? I can't believe it. See? Your voice automatically sounds happier.
Section 20. Paul's funny confession. Emily, can I confess something?
Of course.
Last week, I spent almost 10 minutes looking for my glasses.
Okay, then what happened?
They were on my head.
Oh,
I looked everywhere. The table, the kitchen, the bathroom, even the refrigerator.
the refrigerator?
Don't ask. Finally, my friend looked at me and said, "Paul, they're on your head." I couldn't stop laughing. I can't believe it.
Don't worry, you're definitely not the only person who's done that. I think many of our viewers can relate.
Part 3 outro.
Fantastic work today. You've learned how to use "I can't believe it" in everyday conversations, at work, while traveling, and even in funny situations.
The more you hear and repeat these real conversations, the more natural your English will become.
Before you go, here's today's speaking challenge. Look around your room and make 3 original sentences using "I can't believe." For example, I can't believe how messy my desk is. I can't believe how fast this week went. I can't believe I'm speaking more English every day.
Write your best sentence in the comments. We love reading them, and your sentence might inspire another learner.
If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, subscribe to English Unlocked, and share it with someone who wants to speak English with confidence.
Keep practicing every day because one conversation can change your English forever.
See you in part 4.